Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Junessa Bernesa Casa, married, 36 years old, from the Philippines. I have three children, one boy and two girls. My eldest daughter is 18 years old. My son is 16 years old, and the youngest is 13 years old. And I have experience in Kuwait for 1 year and 10 months. Two stories house. I have a co-worker, Sri Lankan, and 9 members in the family. Both the parents are working. My main duties is to take care 9-year-old girl and the 10-year-old boy. Sometimes I help cooking for my coworker, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and washing the car. And I have experience also in Malaysia for 4 years and 3 months. 6 member in the family. Both parents is working. My main duties is cleaning the house, take care that four boys, age 10, 8, and 5. Then they have a newborn baby. Sometimes I go market and cooking, sending the kids in the school with the driver, and sometimes they pick up. Then I washing the cars and washing the clothes. Mm, my current employer, if you hired me, I assure you I'm a trustworthy, hardworking, and I make my I make your family like my own. And see you there in Hong Kong. Thank you and God bless.